It is my honor to present to you the candidates for moving up, of which 78 are males and 62 are females. A total of 140 candidates who have been successfully completed the requirements of Department of Education under the K-12 Enhanced Basic Education Curriculum. Sir, we are waiting for your acceptance and approval.
Thank you, ma'am. Upon recommendation of the class advisors and the grade level coordinator, as principal of Bella Vista National High School, I hereby accept and approve the completion of 140 learners, 78 of whom are male and 62 are female, who have successfully completed the requirements for the junior high school prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum. So to Dr. Renato T. Balesteros, Assistant the Division School Superintendent, represented by Dr. Ivy Joy A. Torres, the Chief Education Supervisor in the Curriculum and Implementation Division. I have the honor to request for your confirmation, ma'am.
By the authority vested in me by our school's Division Superintendent, Dr. Renato T. Balesteros, SO5, and upon the recommendation of the class advisors and the acceptance of your school principal, Mr. Andrio Bangay, Principal 3 of Bella Vista National High School, I now confirm the completion of 72 males and 68 females, a total of 140 completers of Bella Vista National High School for school year 2023-2024, who have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements of the Enhanced Basic Education Curriculum of the K-12 program. And as such, you are entitled to receive your completion certificate with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations.